What's up everyone, here is your boy Khalid from the Smart Man channel. India teaches you passions. India teaches you unconditional love. India teaches you how to surrender. India is the heart of the world. India is an experience of the life, the people, the food, the transportation, and the places that make so special. Today I'm gonna share with you 5 best great things why I love India so much. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, they are welcoming people. Whether it is into their home or outside, many of them, they are welcoming people and so excited to bring their home into meet with their family. They never seem to doubt your honesty, your love, and your truth. They are asking you a question and they welcome you with an open arms and purely and honestly. They are asking you a question why you are in India and about your stories, about your family, and they are so interested in your name. That's why I love India a lot. Number 2, each state is different from the next. India is a subcontinent. Each state is different from the next in terms of the food, religion, culture, language, and landscape. For example, you can spend your time in Mumbai and make your way to Hyderabad. You feel like an entirely new country. The north is different from the south, and the east is different from the west as well. Spend your time in different states as much as possible. You will be shocked how vast it is. Number 3, the food is so delicious. The Indian food is so delicious and there is nothing is unlike it. All of the spices and the different curries that make the taste incredible. Chapati, Hyderabad biryani, and other different curries that make the food delicious. I tried before the Hyderabadi launch from the Instagram I ordered. It was an incredible homemade chicken biryani as well as mutton biryani. You can check and you can order from Instagram, or I will keep the in description down below the phone number and as well as the Instagram link. You can order anytime and at any place. The taste is amazing. Number 4, India is so beautiful. India is different types of beauty. It doesn't have that striking surface beauty that many countries have. It has a generally green crops. It fills the land with the greenery of the flowers, the plants, and the animals. The Himalaya decorates like India majestic crown. It has been always India is one of the most technologically advanced countries in the world. India makes beautiful is the science, the nature, the defense of the power, and the different of the language that make everyone love India. Finally, number 5, it's very cheap in some region. India is cheap in some region anyway. We can get a room for $5 and we can get food for $3. We can get a transport for $2. However, this is not the price at everywhere. Depends on the area and the place. This is the lowest price you have found, but it is still very cheap in India. However, the foreigners need to remember it's not a free. It is still good to create a budget instead of overspending a lot. That's why I love India with the love, experience, and happiness. That's basically for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. 5 best things why I love India so much. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to click subscribe, like down below. That's for me today. I will see you on the next. Jai Hind, peace.